This video will tell you about the award-winning Habitat Stepping Stones program. It uses simplicity, technology, public recognition and a supportive online community to encourage urban residents to create effective habitat stepping stones in their own backyards. Did you know that over half of Australia's threatened species and ecosystems occur within the urban fringe? This program uses an innovative approach to overcome three common barriers that prevent people from taking action: lack of awareness, bewilderment and apathy. It begins with a website that provides an engaging and educational online tool which showcases many effective habitat elements including plants, water features and nesting boxes. Website visitors must choose their particular council, so they see only plant species that are suitable for their own local area. To determine the most suitable plant species for each different LGA, we carefully analyse those we are considering to ensure they are characteristic of the local vegetation, easy to find, easy to grow, look good, and provide valuable habitat benefits such as shelter, nectar, seeds, or nesting material. The plant list we end up with is then assessed as a whole to ensure it has not too many plants so people are not overwhelmed, plants of varying heights so there are enough low, medium and tall ones, and a sufficient range of flowering, fruiting and seeding times to maximise biodiversity outcomes. Of course, we work closely with each council to make sure they are happy with our final selection. Then we write helpful descriptions and source attractive images for each plant. You can see here that we also mention some of the animals they help with links to more information, and we include short videos that show some of the animals in action. Remember those common barriers? Here's how each one is addressed. Our website has lots of information about habitat features for each specific local government area, including the animals they help. The online map shows the location of nearby habitat stepping stones and wildlife corridors. Councils get a leaflet design like this one, which makes it easy for them to promote the program to their residents. And of course they can use many existing promotional avenues as well, such as newsletters, web pages, workshops, website banners, targeted letters to residents, and plant giveaways. The possibilities are endless. We keep things simple. We don't have too many plants, we use common plant names, and we keep the website very friendly. There is an easy 1, 2, 3 process: discover, pledge, share. People first find out about the plants and other habitat elements on our website. They pledge online to add 3 or more to their own backyard. Then they join our supportive online community to share their pics and stories, get local wildlife news and tips, and learn about other local environmental programs. We even provide a list of suppliers. The pledge adds a touch of gamification and creates a commitment which increases the likelihood of action. And public recognition is an additional motivator. Pledges receive a plaque they can attach to their front fence, and they can choose to have a colourful bird appear on their property on our online map. This has also begun creating a social norm, when people see other people doing something and want to join in. Evaluation has revealed our success. The website has had over 17,000 unique visitors, with over 57,000 page views already, and our Facebook reach is over 25,000. That's a lot of environmental education going on. So far, more than 3,000 habitat elements have been pledged. But the program's influence reaches much further than the pledges that are made. More than 20% of surveyed web visitors are using our information to create habitat stepping stones without even making a pledge. 23% of web visitors are returning to learn more. 44% of surveyed pledges have noticed more wildlife in their garden already. 49% said their experience in this project had inspired them to take part in other local wildlife and habitat projects. 88% reported an improvement in their awareness of the importance of habitat for local wildlife. And a whopping 98% are likely to continue to add habitat elements to their gardens or balconies. We receive fantastic feedback, like these 3 messages. I signed the pledge 2 days ago and now I've gotten all the plants and a pond. We have been adding piles of rocks, kangaroo grass, banksias and grevillea, wanting to make a ladybug house with the kids before the end of the holidays, loving it. We had a Habitat Garden themed assembly on Friday, and the teachers used your wonderful website to help the kids understand the steps involved. Thank you for such a brilliant educational initiative. Habitat Stepping Stones won the 2015 National Trust Heritage Award for Conservation of Natural Landscape. So what do participating councils receive when they join this award-winning program? A new section of the website specific to your LGA, a researched selection of the optimal flora species approved by you, appealing images and detailed descriptions for each selected plant, including the benefits to your local wildlife, a PDF promotional leaflet designed specifically for your council's use, long-lasting colourful aluminium property plaques like the one Angus Stewart is holding here, mailed to all your participating residents. Continuing support for your residents from the program's social media. Plus discounts from local suppliers. Email addresses of pledges from your LGA so you can invite them to other environmental activities. Promotion of your council through the program's social media. And management of all program inquiries through phone, email and web messages. Apart from approving the plant lists, no extra work is required from participating councils. It's up to you how you use this valuable tool. We would love to welcome your council to this program. You can contact us through the website.